Do you wake up with heavy legs? Numb hands? A weak heartbeat that just doesn't feel right? You might be thinking, it's just age catching up. But what if I told you that feeling tired, achy, and sluggish every day isn't just aging, it's a silent warning. Every 36 seconds, someone dies from heart disease or diabetes. And for over 30 million seniors in the US, these aren't just numbers, they're everyday fears. But here's the truth, getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. Your food can either destroy your health or rebuild it. So today, I'm walking you through a simple yet powerful onion recipe that some doctors now call a natural elixir. Plus, 14 foods you should add to your plate that clean your arteries, stabilize blood sugar, and energize your body, naturally. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to prepare the recipe at the end. And trust me, your heart will thank you. Part 1, Nutrition to reclaim your health. Let's start with what's already in your fridge. 1. Kale. It's more than a green, it's a blood sugar bodyguard. Packed with soluble fiber, kale pulls out bad cholesterol before it sticks to your arteries. It's rich in flavonoids and sulforaphane, natural anti-inflammatories that protect your heart and reduce insulin resistance. 2. Avocado. Creamy and heart healing. The monounsaturated fats in avocado lower LDL cholesterol and improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, they're loaded with potassium, more than bananas, helping lower blood pressure naturally. 3. Strawberries. Sweet? Yes. Dangerous? No. These little red berries are full of anthocyanins, compounds that fight inflammation and insulin resistance. Their low glycemic index makes them perfect for blood sugar control. 4. Walnuts. Small nut. Big results. Rich in omega-3s, magnesium, and antioxidants, walnuts help lower inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce artery stiffness. 5. Yams. They give you long-lasting energy without the sugar spikes. Their compound diosgenin reduces inflammation and protects blood vessels. They're also a great source of B6, critical for nerve and hormone health. 6. Garlic. It may be small, but it's mighty. Garlic expands blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, improves insulin sensitivity, and fights off low-grade infections that silently fuel inflammation. 7. Apples. Eat them with the peel. The skin is rich in quercetin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that lowers blood pressure and protects arteries. 8. Broccoli. This cruciferous veggie scrubs your arteries clean with sulforaphane, detoxifies the blood, and reduces inflammation in your vessels. 9. Oranges. Don't skip the pulp. Soluble fiber slows sugar absorption and vitamin C improves blood vessel flexibility. Hesperidin improves circulation. 2. 10. Oats. Rich in beta-glucan, oats create a gel in your gut that slows sugar and cholesterol absorption, a true diabetes fighter. 11. Almonds. Monounsaturated fats, magnesium, fiber, and vitamin E. This snack protects your heart, balances blood sugar, and keeps hunger in check. 12. Purple grapes. Thanks to resveratrol and anthocyanins, these fruits help reduce artery damage, improve circulation, and even boost memory. 13. Black beans. Low on the glycemic index and high in plant protein, black beans stabilize blood sugar and support muscle health. 14. Lemon. Alkalizing, anti-inflammatory, and blood sugar balancing. Lemons are small, but they work big magic in your system. Part 2, the powerful onion recipe. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the simple onion recipe that destroys diabetes, cleans your arteries, and saves your heart. Here's how you make it. Ingredients: 1 medium red onion, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, ½ teaspoon turmeric, pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Optional instructions: heat the olive oil gently in a pan. Add the red onion and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until soft and fragrant. Stir in the turmeric and black pepper. If using, add the apple cider vinegar. Cook for 1 to 2 more minutes. That's it. A powerful, healing dish you can eat every night as a side with veggies, over rice, or even with eggs. Why it works: onion is rich in quercetin, which reduces inflammation and supports heart health. Turmeric, boosted by black pepper, reduces blood sugar and prevents plaque buildup. Apple cider vinegar stabilizes blood sugar after meals and aids digestion. So, what will you choose today? Another day of sluggishness and sugar crashes? Or a simple, healing plate that puts you back in charge? Sparkles emoji. Your age doesn't define your health. Your daily habits do. Try the onion recipe tonight and leave a comment: I'm starting my healing with onions. And if you want more natural remedies that actually work, check out the next video on screen, the garlic drink that melts plaque and balances sugar in just 7 days. Stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, nature's medicine is already in your kitchen.